The Tote Goat is a low-cost automatic tote dispenser that will run day or night, even weekends with the lights out. The Tote Goat has been our most popular machine that has been employed by many molders, stampers, and more. With various models available, a Tote Goat can be built to handle almost any tote. There are different models for stack and nest totes, stack-only totes, attached lid totes, steel parts boxes, and trays. This particular machine destacks a stack and nest tote. With the Tote Goat, you don't have to worry about the totes sticking together when using the stack and nest totes. The Tote Goat will separate them. To begin operation, the operator places a stack of totes into the machine and manually cycles the first destacked tote into the fill position. When the tote being filled reaches the desired quantity, weight, level, or time, a rodless cylinder pushes the fresh tote into the fill position. The fresh tote pushes the filled tote onto conveyor or some other type of storage device. During the tote exchange, the Tote Goat sends a signal to stop the parts conveyor until the fresh tote is in place. There are various ways to cycle the Tote Goat. First is the time mode, which can be used without interlocking the Tote Goat to the serviced machine. Time mode will send a 1-minute pulse to the onboard predetermining counter to produce the count. It can be used by flipping the mode switch to time mode and setting the counter to the desired time. If the counter is set to 7, the tote will remain in the fill position for 7 minutes before cycling. Another choice is the remote cycle, which requires a dry contact to close on the serviced machine when a cycle is wanted. The counter can also be used to count product by using the input signal from the correct sensor, or can also use a signal from the serviced machine to count the strokes of a press. Once the counter reaches the desired count, it sends a cycle signal to the Tote Goat. The machines can also be fitted with a fill-to-weight scale, which will cycle the Tote Goat when a fill weight is reached. To power the Tote Goat, simply plug it into a 120-volt AC outlet and plumb 80 psi of compressed air to the filter. A standard Tote Goat includes an interlock cable, predetermining counter, 2-inch casters, fill platform, and an Allen Bradley Micrologix 1000 PLC. A popular option is the strobe light that alerts the operator that the tote supply is exhausted or a fault has occurred. The Tote Goats can also be fitted with lifts to raise the totes to a robot fill level, a 90-degree transfer, and more. If you need something special, we can probably do it. Other options include 4-inch casters, 6-inch casters, fixed height base, or hydraulic adjustable height base. The Tote Goat was designed and is manufactured right here in the U.S. Call Total Tote today for more information on the Tote Goat or other cost-saving technology.